Right, let's quickly have a look at grade 10 trigonometry again, solving triangles, and this time around we are looking at how to find missing angles in a triangle. Okay. In the following diagrams, you need to find the size of angle X and Y. Well, you would remember something about SOHCAHTOA, how important it is in helping us set up some equation that will help us find that missing angle or that missing side. So in this case, still important to remember that those definitions assist you in terms of questions like this. So in the number one there, we asked to find X. When we look at X relative to the sides that we've got in the diagram, one side is actually adjacent to X, which is 18, and the other side happens to be the hypotenuse in our diagram, which is 35. Oh, perfect. Which trig function has got those adjacent and hypotenuse? That can only be cos. So cos X must be equal to 18 over 35. And immediately a trig equation gets set up as soon as you use that knowledge of your definition. Now remember, now when you punch your calculator, punch accordingly. Okay, this now you have to start with shift cos and then the ratio on the other side, 18 over 35. So if you do that correctly, you should get 59.05 degrees. Pretty easy. But again, make sure you're looking at sides given with a reference to the angle that you want to find. Let's look at number 2. In number 2, again, we have to find angle Y, but look at those sides. Hey, one of the sides is opposite that angle Y, and one of the sides is adjacent to angle Y. That makes life easy because we know that only 10 will give us a proper ratio that will help us finding the angle. So set up 10y is equal to 6 over 8. Again, it's a trig equation. So when you punch your calculator, shift 10, 6 over 8, and you'll get your answer of 36.87 degrees. And that's it. Basic, straightforward stuff. Need to remember your definitions. They assist you in setting up an equation that you can solve for the missing angle. Let's look again at this one. Not every question in your mathematics will come readily provided for you to just go straight to calculation. Sometimes you might need to go somewhere in order to get a setup of what you want to find. I'm looking at this and we're being asked to find the size of angle C2. When I'm looking at angle C2, it's not even inside a triangle. Okay? And however, I've got an angle that I know for a fact in my geometry that angle B and angle C2 are definitely equal angles in terms of parallel lines, because the line AB and the line CD are parallel. Okay, so if we can find angle B, we'll be able to find angle C2. Let's do that. Remember again your SOHCAHTOA. Well, angle B, we've got an adjacent side and a hypotenuse, so we have to use cos there. So cos angle B gives us 21 over 52, and the angle is 66.18. Now that therefore means also angle C2 is 66.18, but then remember, put down your reason. And that's it.